Okay, Senator Cortez Mastro of Nevada is addressing Dr. Oz and saying that the biggest fraud in Medicaid and even Medicare is provider fraud. And that is where they bill for services that have not even been rendered. So Dr. Oz is saying that, or what they referenced is that people are not milking the system. See, that's what these affluent people are always talking about, is all these poor people who are milking the system. Well, it's the doctors who are milking the system. Now, one of the senators had said that since Obamacare, they said it started out at like $380 billion, and then it's up to like $600 billion. And they said the states are benefiting and getting money out of the Affordable Care Act, some of them with the Medicaid expansion. So there's a money racket going on with that. And so that was something that I saw, like at the time when my ex was going to the doctor. They were changing the name of some of the tests that they were doing, and so I think he had gotten onto, or it was right at the time he was getting his Medicare, I believe. I don't know if he signed up for Medicare. I think he signed up for Medicare Advantage because he was paying like $175. And I told him, I said, that sounds like an awful lot for Medicare. And he says, that's the plan that they offered to me, and that's the plan that I took. And so he took it at the age of 62, which I'm being told that I'm not eligible till I'm 67. So I'm not supposed to get any medical until I'm 67 years old. So they don't want me to have any medical at all. But there's all these other people who have Medicaid and Medicare expansion and stuff like that. And so they're still addressing the issue of Medicaid and Medicare fraud. This says Medicare providers fraud involves providers knowingly submitting false or misleading information to receive Medicaid payments, encompassing various schemes like billing for services not provided or unnecessary services, and can be reported to the Medicaid Fraud Division, which Ms. Mastro Cortez says there's 53 units in the United States.